Welcome to the second last video of the LEGO 2021 Harry Potter Advent Calendar reveal and build. And I like to think of it as the Christmas Eve of Advent calendars. And it's day 23 over here. 23 is what we are getting into today. Oh, of course, it's a Christmas tree. It hadn't even crossed my mind thinking about what this piece could be. But it's a Christmas tree. How appropriate. Okay, let's zoom out here. Lots of little pieces in this one. Make sure I get all this right. Okay. I think there's two in there. That's a square piece. And that top bit. Okay. There we have the center of the tree. Now we have these parts here. I might put the base on. Okay, there we have it. And all right, starting to come together. I was just about to say it's starting to look a lot like Christmas. Four, and we have these pieces here which will go 1, 2, 3 and 4 small square bits, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we have opposites, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I have a feeling that that is it done. Excuse me. All right, I've got a couple of pieces left over, so I'm going to put I won't take that away. That's on the ground. I'll do that one later. That's how I'll leave it, and that goes over here. Let's take a look. There's the Christmas tree. Day 23. Tomorrow is the last day for this year's Advent calendar. It will be the spinning top, and that way you can then play the game. So everything is now in place. Pivot drive, the fireplace, the birthday cake, the leaky cauldron sign, the desk or table, the wall that opens up, the cash register, I'll call it, what would you call that? That's a train carriage of some nature. The vault with the gold in it. Then we have Harry at station 9 3/4 with Malfoy and Hermione. We have the table with food on it and the Christmas tree. And then tomorrow is the spinning top. I actually like the look of how this spinning top may turn out. So hopefully you can tune in for that. There's still time to go back and watch all 22 other episodes if you're keen. Other than that, have a great day, and hopefully you'll come back and watch tomorrow. Bye for now.